The first one is fairly easy to accommodate, and that is the proper segregation of direct from indirect costs. So let's take a look at that. And virtually any accounting system can be set up to accommodate that requirement. And we do that as part of our professional services here at Sympaq. We make sure that our clients have a chart of accounts that is set up in such a way that there is a separation between direct and indirect costs. So let me demonstrate that. We'll start with the 5,000 accounts, those are direct labor, and we'll go through the 8,000 accounts, which are the general and administrative indirect costs. So momentarily here, I'll go ahead and just run this. You will see the effect of a chart of accounts that's designed to specifically segregate direct from indirect costs. So, expenses, that is to say, costs for purposes of this demonstration, I'll use the word cost and expense interchangeably. So taking a look at this, as I mentioned, you've got your 5,000 accounts. This is a nomenclature, and we use it to identify specifically or label a chart of accounts item. And scrolling through, you'll see fringe, you'll see overhead, you'll see general administrative expenses finally. One thing that's notable about the chart of accounts is that the direct cost elements are linked to what is called an EOC, or an element of cost. And effectively what that does is it attaches these costs, these expenses, to a separate but fully integrated job cost ledger.